Welcome friends in lecture 4 science lesson 10 light, reflection and refraction. Now today we are going to learn the uses of concave mirror. In last lecture we learned how the concave mirror behaves and how the images are formed. Now today we are going to learn how the uses of concave mirror are there in practical life. So the concave mirrors are basically used as torches. Why as a torches, searchlights, headlights in the vehicles and all, how they are being used? The utility is, as we have learned, that whenever the light is coming from far distances, they come to the focus. So we have utilized in the opposite manner, that we keep the bulbs, we place the curvature of in a concave way and we place the bulb and the focus. So in the opposite way, where the light strikes to the mirror, that is on the headlights, and it passes on the straight beam. So when the light is coming from far away distances, they come to the focus. When we keep on the focus and strike to the mirror, in the opposite way it will be parallel. So you will be able to see the light which are getting parallelly very far distances. But it is always a limit that how long we are able to see, but the light is passing at infinite. So either in the torches, either in the vehicle headlights, we are using this kind of parallel beam reflection of either concave mirrors. They are used as shaving and makeup mirrors to see large images of the faces. But when which type of mirrors we are using, whose focal length are very large. Focal lengths are very large, that means whenever we keep the mirror in front, we come between P and F, as you have learned the last image, that we come between P and F. So image what we get is erect, straightway, virtual and highly enlarged. So either the spectacles, when you go and clarify whether the spectacles are suiting to you or not, they optical shopkeepers keeps the concave mirrors where you are able to see only the eyes portion, even the makeup mirrors also and shaving mirrors also, because the full face requirement is not there, only that part is required where it should be highly enlarged and you will be able to see very close part of it. Fine. Then this another, as you are seeing the images also, which I have kept it below, these are the different usages. Dentists. So how the dentists they are using, you are able to see that the dentists are having a concave small mirrors on their handlebars, and they are just keeping the dentists are taking that small mirror with their handles and trying to put it inside the mouth. So the reflection comes of the larger view of the whether the problems are there inside the teeth, because directly opening the mouth you cannot go inside and see. So you are able to see the image of the tooth and whether it is a black spot, and it might be there if you are eating lot of chocolates, you might be have the corrosion of the teeth also. So the doctors are capable of seeing it by the help of the concave mirrors. The large concave mirrors are used for concentric sunlight produced by the heat. So they keep a reflecting surfaces everywhere. When the light is falling from all the surfaces, the mirrors are kept in a mirror that reflects at the center point and heats up, and the solar furnaces are on. So this is how the uses are there. Many more uses are there. We are limiting ourselves according to the book, and we are trying to learn certain of it out of it. Fine. So we'll keep up till here for today. In the next lecture we'll learn the convex part. Thank you.